On your Nintendo Switch, you've probably seen two options when managing storage: archive software or delete software. In this video, I'm gonna tell you a bit in depth about these two options. What's the difference, how do you do it, and which one is better? Let's go step by step. Method 1. Archive. So what does archive do? Archiving removes the game's software from your Switch, but keeps the icon on your home screen. Your saved data stays safe and won't be deleted. You can easily archive your games on the Switch by selecting them on your home menu. Once they're selected, press the plus button of your right Joy-Con. Select Manage Storage. From here, select Archive Software. Now just confirm your choice. After this, the game will clear all its data. You can always come back to your home menu and tap on the game again to get it back. Tapping the icon later will let you quickly re-download the game from the internet. This is great if you plan to play again soon, but need some extra space right now. Method 2. Delete. Now, what does delete do? Deleting also removes the game's software, but this time it also removes the icon from your home screen. It clears even more cached data. To do this, you have to follow the same steps as archive. Select the game on your home menu, press the plus button of your right Joy-Con, then go to Manage Storage. This time tap or select Delete Software. Now confirm your choice from here. Just like archiving, your saved data is safe even after deleting, unless you go into saved data settings and delete it manually. If you ever want to play again, you'll need to re-download the game from the eShop or insert the physical cartridge. And that's all there is to it. Now you know the difference between archive and delete on the Nintendo Switch, how to use them, and which one is best for your situation. If this video helps you out, then make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below which method you prefer. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.